Okay, hi everyone, this is Han here from Sony Malaysia. So I'm here to guide you through with the crystal clear audio recording from this one in this episode. Okay, so this one is a brand new Sony ZV-1. Okay, actually you can see right there, the actual capsule is located on the top, this section here. So actually there's a 3 capsule. Let me just bring up the show and you can see right there. So you can see there's a 3 capsule on the top. And also in this one, when you buy this camera, it comes with this windscreen. Actually, it's the first time they actually see this kind of compactor come with the windscreen. Usually you have to buy a separate dedicated mic. They only come with it, but it's a separate additional option. But right now, this camera comes with it. So I'm going to show you what the good thing about this, with and without, and where you can actually use it. Actually quite useful, especially if you go outdoor with a lot of winds, places like beaches, beach, and also you go to somewhere high rises with lots of wind. This is going to be a night and day game changers. Okay, so I'm going to hook up this right here to the, okay, I'm just going to hook up this one right here to this, and you can see what are the differences. Okay, so basically I'm just going to put it back for now. Then you can see the sound quality comparison side by side by hooking up. So right now I have this cable right there. I'm just going to hook up to the camera so you can actually see and hear the sound directly from the camera. Okay, so I already turned on right there, you can see. So I'm gonna switch to the view from here to the view of the camera. Yeah. Okay. So right now I'm just gonna handhelding right now. Okay, you can see how the sounds like. Okay, actually the sound's still coming from this microphone here. I'm gonna switch over to this microphone. Okay, right now the sound is from the camera, so this is what you hear right now with the windscreen on. So what I'm going to do a test here is that, let's say right now I remove the windscreen for now. Okay, from there I actually try to blow some air onto this. You can hear. Okay, so this is the sound that actually I blow towards the mic. You can hear there's some quite noisy, right? Okay, right now I'm just going to put on to this, and you can hear how's the difference. Okay, I'll do the same test again. Oops, I accidentally turned on the ISO right there. Let me just go back to this one for now, auto. Okay, then. Okay, probably you can hear the night and day differences between with and without. Okay, so that's what there was before is with the windscreen. Okay, actually I have another video to come up with actually real life testing, and I tested outdoor with actually winds blowing around during my test earlier. So I'm just gonna bring up the video right in a second, and built-in camera mic test. Okay, so this is the one coming up, so you can hear the sound. Right now, actually, there's a bit of wind here. You can see everything blowing. You can see the tree is moving right there. There's a bit of wind coming. So I'm just gonna do some sound testing just based on ZV-1 alone. Right now, it's actually with the mouse on top. If I remove it, so this is the mouse right there. You can see. Okay, because it's still tracking my face. It's tracking my face. Right. So usually we do like this. Okay, so that it will focus on the item front. Okay. That one is for what happened, but this one has a product showcase setting. I'll demonstrate later. But right now you can see how the sound quality sounds like. This is right now is without this thing, and this one actually comes together in the camera. Usually, if you buy a mic, all these things have to comes with the mic separately. They don't come with the camera itself. Usually, as far as I know, usually camera, video, they don't really come with this thing. So this is actually quite a neat features that you can put on top, and it actually helps you to reduce the wind noise. So how's the sound quality sounds like? Maybe you can make the judge. Okay, let me just put it back for now, so you can hear the sound differences compared to. Okay, compare again. So right now with the mouse thing on the top, I don't even know what's the name actually. Just put it on top there, so you can hear the sound a bit different. Because right now, basically, there's a lot of wind going on, and the tree is moving, stuff like that. The tree is moving. It's not too windy. It's okay, but there's a bit of wind, so I can feel like the rain is coming actually. So yeah, how does it look like? Okay, as you can hear the difference with the windscreen, and without the windscreen, there's a differences. Again, just now in the video, you see all the picture quality, everything is straight from the camera without any additional adjustment. So it was recorded directly from the camera. And additionally, I also turned off the stabilization. Just want to see how bad it can get if in terms of if there's no stabilizations. But actually it's not bad at all. I was actually handhelding with a grip together, so it's still quite nice, and you can see the tone is nice and pleasant. Okay, so this episode is just all about the crystal clear audio from this thing right here. So next I'll be doing more sharing. Okay, thank you very much for watching.